Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Leo fire sign, your person current feelings for the remaining month of May. So this reading is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings, Leo, for the remaining month of May. Your person feelings, lot of cards. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Leo. Page of Cups, Two of Cups, the Death. Wow. Definitely your person loves you and you love your person definitely, because there is Two of Cups. Equal love is sharing between both of you, and this connection is protected by angels. Definitely your person want to message you and want to apologize you for something they did to you. Definitely your person want to apologize you. And death, I think your person undergo right now some transformation, and death is also a new beginning. Definitely he want a new start with you. He loves you definitely. Right now he is thinking like this way. Let's see their intentions. So based on intention, they may take action towards you or may not, so depends upon your situation completely. So let's see, Leo, your person intentions towards you. Okay, Leo, let's see their intentions towards you. Chariot, Ten of Cups, Knight of Swords. Wow, definitely your person want to make a move towards you. Chariot is a movement definitely, and Ten of Cups, definitely he want this happy family with you definitely. And Knight of Swords, he want to come towards you very fastly. Definitely he will make move towards you definitely. And I think your person undergo some transformation. After that there is some movement definitely. And Knight of Swords, the slow movement comes into a fast movement, definitely transforming into a fast movement. Knight of Swords, and he want a happy family with you. Ten of Cups, Two of Cups, definitely you both love each other. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Leo. Eight of Cups, okay, Knight of Wands, Six of Swords, final card for the reading, Three of Swords. I think for some there is separation also. Eight of Cups and Three of Swords are some past baggage definitely. Your person have some past wounds definitely. That's why there is transformation is going in their life. I think you both could be living in different states, long distance relationship, and but there is a lot of passion between both of you. Or for some you both separated in past, definitely there will be reconciliation, because Chariot and Ten of Cups and Knight of Swords and Knight of Wands, definitely your person want to come towards you very fastly definitely, because after the healing he will come towards you, for those who were in separation right now. So definitely there will be reconciliation, those who are in separation right now. For some, your person may have some past wounds, so after healing he will come towards you, Leo. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.